Hi, the Tupper Chef back again. Today I'm gonna make a very simple vegetable dish. The name of the dish is simple cabbage bhaji. Because I'm calling this simple because my mom used to teach me to make this dish. She taught me to make this dish, and it was very simple ingredients. As kids, my mom used to go to work in the morning time, and she would expect us to be cooking this vegetable for us in the evening. This goes as an accompaniment for the curries or the rice which we also had to make. Topper Chef back again. We are going to cook the vegetable which I just finished chopping. So we start off, my gas is already on. I put this big pan because this vegetable is pretty big and it's going to absorb and make it really small. So we're going to start with what I said was 4 tablespoons of olive oil. Let it get really hot. And circulate the oil all around so you can see it's on a high flame. Now I'm going to just wait for it to get hot. We're going to add the 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds and let it crackle for a little bit. It's right here, it's just getting a little brown. And to this I'm going to add my curry leaves. As you can see there. As you can see, it has browned and it's crackled really good. That's when I'm going to put all my haldi powder in that and let it roast a little bit. This process has to be really fast. Now I'm going to put my garlic powder too. Put my onions. Now for this onions, we are not going to make it brown at all. Very light flavor. Just get it yellow a little bit. And this is where I'm going to start putting my vegetables slowly and let it get yellow. Okay, now I put a little bit of vegetables. Again, I'm going to put some more of those. And believe me, all this is going to shrink and become really small. So again, 1/4 more vegetables and just move this around. I want the turmeric to go all around it. That's what I'm doing. That's why I'm putting little bit. It's a very simple dish. It's no more flavor, no more spices, and you will get all the flavor from the turmeric itself with all the vegetables and very little oil. And you'll see at the end how it's gonna really come out with more like a boiled vegetable, but with flavor with little oil. So now all the vegetables is gone in. And also now I'm gonna end up putting all the sliced 1 jalapeno which is there. I'm just gonna move it around a little bit. Now this is the time I'm going to add my salt. This is the place where I'm going to add 1 big teaspoon of salt. That's it. Stir this around again. As you can see, the turmeric has moved around from the bottom all the way into the vegetable. And this is the end. This is just how simple this is gonna be. And you will see all the turmeric will get really moved around to every grain of the vegetable. Now all I'm gonna do is just cook it for 5 minutes on very slow heat. Add some water to it. Okay, so now I've got 1/4 cup of water and I'm gonna just slowly put it in this. Stir it once again so that the water and the masalas, there's only one masala in this, will go around. And I'm gonna shut it and cook it on very low flame for 10 minutes. Topper Chef back again. I'm gonna plate the cabbage bhaji which I made. It looks very yummy, flavorful, and ready to eat. It just brings me back to the simple flavor food which I'm always craving for, which reminds me back how my mom used to cook. Very simple, very flavorful. Well, now you can eat this with any vegetables, or what we're gonna do is I'm gonna cook some fish and put some curry on it and finish off eating this elegant dish. And just enjoy.